This is الدرس الثالث والعشرون of كتاب أدوات الربط, and we're looking here at تمرين واحد, and I'm going to translate some of these sentences for you to help you use the connector correctly in each of the blanks. Here we have سواء كان ... أم or أو. Now, a few things to remember. سواء is whether, and here kana is going to conjugate. So it may be kanat or kanu, etc. Now, is often used when there are two choices that are offered one after the other. And o is used more generally to mean or. So in واحد we have ترحب أمريكا بالأطباء المهاجرين إليها. So America welcomes doctors, immigrant doctors, to itself. Blank blank من الشرق, from the east, blank من الغرب, or from the east, blank from the west. وذلك لحاجتها إليهم, and that is because of their need or its need for them. تختلف اليابان عن الصين blank blank ذلك في نظامها السياسي blank الاقتصادي. So Japan differs from China blank blank, whether that is in نظامها السياسي, in its political system, or الاقتصادي, or economic. ثلاثة كان للإسلام تأثير كبير على الأدب العربي blank blank ذلك في أسلوب الأدب blank مضمونه. So here we have كان للإسلام. So Islam has had an important effect or a large effect on Arab literature, whether that is in the literary style, whether in literary style or in its contents. Number 4, يعيش كل إنسان من أجل آماله. Every person lives for his hopes. Blank تحققت blank لم تتحقق, whether they are realized or they are not realized. إنه يحترم أي إنسان blank كان كبيرا blank صغيرا. Indeed, he respects any human being, whether that one was elderly or young. Number 6, ستة أحب السير. I like traveling. I like going places. Blank كان ذلك ليلا blank بالنهار, whether that is at night or in the daytime. 7 سوف يواصل العمال عملهم blank قبضوا أجورهم blank لم يقبضوا. So the workers will continue working, will continue their work, whether they take their wages or they don't. 8 أستاذتي مهتمة ببرامج المرأة. My female professor is concerned or is interested in programs for women. Blank blank في الراديو blank في التلفزيون, whether they are on the radio or on television. Number 9 أثر الإسلام على نواحي الحياة المختلفة blank blank هذه النواحي اجتماعية blank اقتصادية blank أدبية. So Islam has had an effect on many aspects of, or many different aspects of life, whether these aspects are social or economic or literary. 10 طلابي يحبون قراءة القصة blank blank طويلة blank قصيرة. My students love reading the story, whether it is long or short. 11 11 لا أحب الضوضاء blank كنت بالبيت blank بالعمل. I don't like a lot of noise whether I'm at the house or at work. And the last one, 12 عواطف الناس متشابهة blank كانوا فقراء blank أغنياء. So the feelings of people are similar whether they are poor or rich. So hopefully that will help you complete this exercise using سواء كان أو or am. مع السلامة.